guys, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Tovae.Naturally and I'm back again with another video. Today I have a special guest.
What's good, YouTube? You already know it's your boy SNS TV here. You already know gang shit. Bop, 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 bop.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing a collab with the special one right here. You good? Yeah,
Alright, so this is my cousin. I mean, he's not my cousin, but he's my uncle, but it's weird.
She's older than me.
Yeah.
But I'm the big uncle.
It's weird saying uncle because I'm the older one, even though he's taller than me. He's like 6'2", but anyways, I'll be doing a collab with him today. I never did a boy's hair on camera before. I did, but just not on camera, so.
You know, she got fix the nappy hair, y'all already know.
I'll be doing his hair today. That's what it looks like. So this is the before.
Right.
Take a screenshot. And then I'm gonna try to make his hair curly. It may not be super curly,
naps.
but
I got naps.
I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna wash his hair, condition it, and style it. So I will see you guys in the bathroom.
Peace.
So the products that I'll be using today for his hair is the Head and Shoulders Moisture Boost Shampoo. It is for natural hair and it has coconut oil in it, so it will moisturize his hair. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead with the Tresemme Moisture Rich Shampoo, 7 times moisture. So I'm using mostly products with moisture in it because for a good wash and go, you need your hair to be really moisturized. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead with this leave-in conditioner by Lay Hair Care. I did a review on this. I'll put the link in the description. So after I put the leave-in conditioner, I will show you guys the styling products when I'm styling his hair. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and wash his hair. Going ahead with the shampoo and just putting it all over his hair. Close your eyes.
Oh no, legit. Yeah.
Now I'm going to rinse the shampoo out and I'm only washing his hair once. So I'm using some conditioner.
Hold on, before we continue, pause for the position that I'm in for all the homies back there. You know, pause, I'm in the position. I'm a gay nigga right now. So pause. Yeah.
So first I put the conditioner all over his hair and then I separate it into different sections. So I divided his hair into different sections that I'm gonna be working on. What are you doing? Okay. So I'm starting off with this section first. And I'm just working it into his hair. And I'm finger detangling because using a brush will make his hair frizzy. So I'm using my fingers. You haven't detangled your hair in a while.
I know.
A lot of hair is coming out. But that's normal. That's normal. This is what his hair looks like after detangling it. You can kind of see the curls coming out. I'm just twisting it just so that the moisture can stay into his hair. And yes, I know I need a fill-in for my nails. Don't look at that. Ugh. Your girl will get her life together soon.
Nasty ass nails. Oh, my bad.
I'll get my life together soon. So now I'm starting off with this section here. I said starting off. I'm continuing with this section here. And then I'm just gonna fast forward until I'm done detangling his hair. So now for this last section, I'm doing the same thing, just using my finger to finger detangle. And if you want your curls to pop, this is like a #1 key. You have to detangle your hair fully and work those fingers through your hair. After the conditioner, I'm gonna wash his hair out, and the styling product that I'll be using is a leave-in conditioner that I showed you guys before, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the Wetline Xtreme Gel. I will show you guys that in a few, so stay tuned after I wash his hair out. So we are back and live. Turn around. I'll be starting on the back section of his hair first.
Yo, what you doing? Yo.
Now I'm going ahead with the Wetline Xtreme Gel. So you guys are probably wondering why his hair is like so white. That's because the leave-in conditioner mixed with the gel is like 2 different products. So when they mix together, it becomes white. However, it is not flaky. It's just like a really thick consistency when they get mixed together. However, when his hair dries, the whiteness will go away. I'm just like finger detangling, raking my hand through his hair to give him some definition. And I'm working on small sections at a time. By the way, boys, it is important to take care of your hair. Like, girls should not be the only ones doing their curls. Like, you guys should take care of your hair too. It's like really cute to like see someone taking care of their hair if they're like a male. So like, please, personal hygiene is important for boys as well. What do you think, Simeon?
Boys, just start brushing y'all fucking hair. Y'all be having the naps out here, bruh. I be seeing niggas with straight naps, bro. Like, comb your hair,
Why
brush
you
out your
calling
hair,
it
bro.
naps?
Like, have good hygiene, my nigga. Like, what's up with y'all? Like, for real, though. Personal hygiene is the most. If you want hoes, though, and girls.
Like, do not let your hair sit there and become like naughty and stuff. Like, make sure that you detangle your hair whenever you wash your hair.
Some of these boys out here need to start taking showers, bro, because they hygiene be on some other shit. Like, bro, I remember I was at school, bro. Oh my god, bro. And it's a hot man, bro. When I tell you I almost fainted, I almost fainted, bro. Then some girl rejected him with some flowers. Yo, I was laughing, bro, because it's hygiene. Like, it's crazy out here. It's crazy, yeah. Ashay, you gotta talk to me, bro. It's my hair, my nigga. What happened? What happened? What happened? Swear to God, I'm gonna kill this girl too. Why you over there just smiling, bruh?
Cause you're like just staring in the camera.
Cause I want them to see me.
You're not that cute.
What? Yeah, you're right.
If he's cute, give this video a thumbs up.
You using my face.
Oops, I'm sorry. Now, what you're gonna have to do for me to make your hair perfect after I spray your hair, I'm just saturating his hair, guys. Can you please shake it?
Hey,
Keep shaking, and then up and down.
Your boy got the curls. Y'all already know. Back at it, you know, old pretty boy style. Ooh, pretty boy with it. Ooh. Y'all see these hoes. Ooh, Michael Jackson. Ooh, what you thought, boy? Ooh, got the curlies out here. Y'all already know, man. Ooh, the curls. Thank you.
Hold on.
I shit.
Oh, my hand has stuff. It has products on it, but let me turn this down.
Okay.
Ooh. So this is what his hair is looking like. His curls are popping. Like, I did that, okay? Okay. I did that, and you guys saw what his hair was like before. So there is possibility in getting your curls, okay? Even if you feel like you don't have the type of hair for that, look at what I just did. Look at that. So whenever his hair dries, we'll be back again to show you guys what his dry results are looking like. So I'm just gonna let his hair dry, and we will see you guys.
Gang, I ain't no gang shit only.
Hey guys, we're back. His hair is finally dry, and come on, go close.
My bad. The curls.
So that's what it's looking like. I just sprayed it with water, so that's why it looks white. But look at those curls.
Tight.
Come through. They look so good. So listen, you guys probably think like, oh, because of my hair type or my hair texture, I can't get curls. But look at what I just did, honey.
Nappy ass hair turned
Stop
curly.
saying nappy.
I was nappy before, now it's curly.
But yeah, look at that. Beautiful. If you guys liked the process, liked what I did to his hair. If you guys like the results, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel and turn your post notification bell on to know when I post. Now I'll be doing my shout outs. The special jar, if you haven't watched my last video, I'll say it again. I'm doing shout outs, and whenever someone comments on my videos, I put their name in this jar and then I shake it and pick a name out each time I make a video. So today's shout out goes to
Damn, you can't open the damn the nails and shit. You can't open the damn paper. Alright, who that?
Okay, today's shout out goes to, her name was literally Hey Call Me Carol. Can you guys hold on? Hey Call Me Carol. That was literally her name. So shout out to you,
Call
girl.
me Carol.
If you if you're watching this, you got anything to say?
No, for all the girls that's trying to help your boy, you just put your numbers in the comment section. You know, I'll be looking at all that.
Or just follow him on Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram. You know, follow my channel. You know, SNS TV.
I'll put his Instagram and his YouTube channel right here. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.